friends, as you know I am Neeti Mittal. Today I am going to teach you a very nice thing. This is a small mini album with fancy paper, and even you can make with old marriage card or other cards, and you can stick 7 photos whom you want to give them. So how to make this beautiful mini album for birthday gift I am going to teach you. So I'll show you how to make this album. Okay, for making this album, we will take the base of template of 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter from width, and length should be 16 centimeter. Okay, we will cut this. I have cut on the white paper to show you, and we have to cut the same length, 30 centimeter it should be, and this will be 16 centimeter. From here it should be 30 centimeter and here it should be 16 centimeter. Already I drew on this paper and I am going to cut and show you. Just cut and show you first. Now this is our length of 30 centimeter and this length is 16 centimeter and this is width is 30 centimeter. This just we will fold into half. We will divide into half with one paper. And another paper, this 30 centimeter, further we will divide 3 centimeter. Okay, already I marked 3 centimeter. This I will do pleat folding. One we will fold inside, one we will fold outside. That is called pleat folding. First I am doing the pleat folding and I will show you how to stick this. This is the pleat folding, we must do it. Okay. 3 centimeter we must do the pleat folding, and this 6 centimeter from left and 6 centimeter from the right we will leave it. We will open this and we will stick 3 centimeter from the right and 3 centimeter from the left. This 6 centimeter sorry, the 6 centimeter we will stick, we will just apply Fevicol and we will stick from this corner 6 centimeter. 2 blocks we will stick from here and 2 blocks from here we will stick. So we will stick it from here, 2 blocks like this we will stick. 6 centimeter we will stick from left, 6 centimeter we will stick from the left, and this will come up, then just will make it reverse. See, and when we will fold it, it will be like this. This will be like this. And after folding, it will be like this. Okay, this will be like this. It will fold like this, and 6 by 6. We will take a square, 7 we will take like that, 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter we will put for this. This is for photo panel we have to make, and this panels we have to stick inside. Total we have to make 7 panel. Quickly I show you. This already I have done with the thick chart, and this is the 7 panels. First we will paste here, then alternate we will paste. Total 7 panels we will paste. Just half we will paste. First we will paste full, last we will paste full, remaining 5 we will paste half on the steps. After pasting this, here you can paste your sentiments, your photographs, anything whatever you want. And for folding this, we will fold up a cover, we will just apply Fevicol. Already I cut and keep ready. I will just paste some marriage card or any fancy paper whatever you have. Same thing we can paste both sides, but this is the handmade paper I am pasting it, and here I made one belly belt. This is with old marriage card I made a belly belt. Just we'll take one paper strip of 2 inches and we will put in this. So this is the belly belt which will hold the card, and for decoration of the belly belt I have taken one marriage card. Just I cut in a shape, and over this this is small corrugated paper I have. This I will also put on this, and some flower and leaves whatever you have, or you can draw some leaves. I am putting that and I can decorate with that. and something is there with marriage card. This is panel. I will paste it here in the corner just to decorate. For decoration you can use any kind of decoration, you can do it. I hope you must have liked this mini photo album with steps. Thank you for watching.